This lesson from the mind of chaos is being brought to you by me, her divine chaos, the one-dog goddess, Tihamtu Chaos Dragon. If you have great plans for your company's marketing campaign, but don't think you have the budget to back it up, think again. These days, you don't need an impressive budget just to grab the attention of your target audience. Thanks to advancements in technology and social media, brands can connect with their customers easier than ever before. And the best part is that the most effective marketing strategies usually don't cost the company a penny. The World Wide Web has completely changed the way that companies, both large and small, sell their products. And one of the best places to start is on social media. Creating an account is free for businesses on most platforms, and it doesn't take an expert to get started. To create a business account on Facebook, you will first need to set up a personal profile, if you haven't already. Then you will need to create a subsequent page that will be your business page. Facebook does offer a business account feature. However, many say that it doesn't allow you to customize as well as creating a separate page from your own account. Don't be concerned about linking your personal account to your business page. Everything will be separate from your personal Facebook account. You can assign administrators if you are not the only person who is working on the company page. Admins can control the content and delete posts if needed. The best thing that you can do to make your company's Facebook page a success is create a highly detailed profile. Add contact information, links to your website, and plenty of details in the About Me space. You also need to post often and interact with those who leave comments on your post. This will help you learn more about your target audience and what they want from your brand. Facebook isn't the only place where you can explore fresh marketing strategies online that are highly effective and affordable. Businesses can also benefit from creating a Twitter account. While there may be limits to the amount of characters you can use in a single tweet, you can also add a link to your website or company blog. Having a detailed Twitter profile that includes your website's URL is another way to help your brand gain more exposure. Twitter can help you increase brand awareness, keep your customers informed on new products and services, and allow you to receive instant feedback from your followers about your company. And the best part is that it's a free way to help boost your website's SEO. Google Plus can also help your business grow and improve your brand's online reputation by helping to improve your SEO. It can even make Google smarter and more aware of your brand by adding your website to its search recommendations. This can help members of your target audience learn more about your company and potentially increase your profits. Do you have a great idea for a commercial but aren't sure if you can afford to have it broadcast on TV? Advertise with YouTube instead. YouTube advertisers pay per view of their ads, and the average cost for each viewing ranges between 10 and 30 cents. You may also want to create a YouTube channel for your business where you can upload videos highlighting upcoming products. You will need a lot of YouTube views for your ads to pay off, but even if your ad gets 500 views on YouTube, you are still only paying out 150 at the most. And you can send your ad out to the millions of viewers all over the world. And this can be especially helpful for online business owners. Outside of the internet, there are additional low-cost ways that you can use to promote your business. You could hold a customer appreciation day and give out items such as pens, notepads, or hats with your company's logo on them. You can find multiple online companies that manufacture personalized products, and they aren't as expensive as you think. You may also want to hand out samples of your products, which can help to draw customers into your store. And that brings this lesson from the Mind of Chaos to a close. Keep an eye out for more informative articles and videos to help you achieve your greatest potential as a person and as an entrepreneur. For more from the Mind of Chaos, check out my blog and my websites. The links will be in the description below. And while you're down there checking things out, if you like me and you like my presentation, click the button to subscribe to my channel and then ding that bell to get updates as soon as I publish the next valuable lesson. Thanks for taking the time to devour this lesson. Have a phenomenal morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are on this big blue ball spinning in the abyss. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.